Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing Amazon's Echo Buds. So this is Amazon's own earbuds and it actually has noise reduction. As you could see, it has Bose's active noise reduction. So these earbuds are usually compared to Apple's AirPods Pro and one of Sony's reduction noise cancelling earbuds. I don't really remember the name, but it's usually compared to that. And I'm excited for this because this is the most affordable option that you have in the market right now for wireless earbuds that have noise reduction. This is only $130 compared to Apple's $250 AirPod Pro, and the other one I'm not exactly sure, but probably costs $200-300. So this is the most affordable option. So what's cool about this is that it does have Alexa, and you could basically ask Alexa for the weather, play music, make a call, or have a text, or anything that Alexa can do. And anything that Alexa can do. So this works great with Apple and Android, so that's awesome. This is also a Bluetooth 5.0, so it should work very smoothly. So what's included here is the Echo Buds, the charging case, 3 sizes of ear tips, 3 sizes of wing tips, and a micro USB cable. So I heard a lot about the micro USB cable as like a big con, because now everybody's moving towards the USB-C cable. So let's see how this goes. I mean, so far I only have one item that uses USB-C, which is my iPhone 11 Pro Max uses the USB-C cable, but it's lightning to USB-C, which I barely even use because I still have a lot of good chargers that has USB-A. And the Google Pixel 3a uses completely USB-C. So, but I don't, like I said, my laptop is not even, as you could see, my laptop is all USB-A, and I don't even have the new ones yet, so it's not really a big deal for me. So let's see. So I was so excited actually that I kind of just like opened it, I unboxed it earlier to see how it looked like. So it's not truly a crazy unboxing video, but here it is. As you can see, it says Echo Buds, and voila, we got the earbud, the Echo Buds right here. And what we got here is just the micro USB cable. This should be the wing tips and the earbuds. So there's different sizes. That's really nice that it comes with wing tips. I guess for people who want it more secure in their ear. So that's great. Let's see, we got a bunch of things here, like manual stuff. So things to do, so it tells you what you could ask Alexa, which is great because sometimes I don't really know what to ask Alexa except for like to call, message, or to open an app, and even play music and ask the weather. Sometimes I like to ask about the news. So yeah, like I said, I already said what's in the box. It's pretty simple. Ooh, yeah, it's pretty simple. What's great about this is that it does have touch controls, so like the AirPods Pro, or just the AirPods in general too, you could just double tap and double tap to make changes, to play or pause. I mean, it's up to you. In the app you're allowed to change that preference. So here it is. This is the Echo Buds. It is kind of big. It does look a little bit, feels heavier, not heavier, but it does feel bigger than the AirPods and also the AirPods Pro. So here it is. Let's open it. Oh, wrong way. Before I open it, there is a button here. I think this is to connect it. Not entirely sure, but I think it is. And here's the micro USB charger. It would be actually nice to have a USB-C cable instead, because we are moving to 2020 and it would be nice to see a lot of electronics and gadgets go to USB-C. So anyway, here it is. As you can see, I think it's charged, and oh my god, it's so black. Yeah, it's super black, but here it is. Here's the earbuds. It's pretty cool. So in the Amazon website, it does say it's up to 5 hours music playback with 1 full charge, up to 2 hours music playback with 15-minute quick charge, and up to 20 hours music playback with charging case. So like I said, this also has Bluetooth 5.0, so it should connect to your iPhone or Android very quickly. Let's go ahead and try to connect it. Okay, hey guys, so I just connected it. As you can see, it is in order for you to actually use the earbuds and change some stuff, all the preference, you do have to download the Amazon Alexa. As you can see, it is this one, and yeah, it's cool because it does have the weather and stuff, and you could ask Alexa here or anything. Anyway, so it's already connected. It does tell you the full charge. It says case is 30%. Here's the Bose A&R. I guess this is how you turn off and like toggle on and off whether or not you want to reduce the sound that you want to hear. You could also turn off the mic. So obviously for people who are very scared about Alexa or Amazon listening to your conversations, you could mute that. Let's see. So over here you could also adjust the pass-through, how much sound you want to pass through. You could also turn it off. Tap controls, you could go here to customize it. Press and hold. Double tap for pass through, press and hold. If this is me, I would actually change it because I do have Hey Siri, so I would do play and pause for my right ear. Awesome. So anyway, it does not have voice control, volume control, which is totally fine. I'm not mad about that. And yeah, very cool. So I'm excited to try this out. I will maybe do a comparison video on the AirPods Pro. I mean, I don't have the AirPods Pro, but my friend does, so I might do a comparison video on that next time. Anyway, you guys, thank you for watching my video. If you want to see more videos of me doing unboxing videos, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below, and see you in my next video. Bye, guys.